and welcome back. Today is wash day yet again because it's been mega hot and I've been sweating like crazy. And so I just wanted to talk about one of the tricks I use as clarifying shampoo. As we know, the high-end clarifying shampoos are sort of designed not really for black hair and by far not really for locks. But I actually learned this trick off YouTube some years ago, and I've been using it and it works. I know people normally do the apple cider vinegar and baking soda rinse, but I found it to be a little bit tedious and didn't really give me the results that I wanted. I know it was a craze, everybody was trying to do it and documenting it, but I really didn't get the results that I needed from it until I figured out I could use dishwashing liquid, regular dishwashing liquid, to clarify my locks. I did this with my first set of locks. What I found is that it's quite drying, and definitely dishwashing liquid is there to strip off grease, off dishes. So definitely for black hair it's absolutely drying, but if you keep a good routine and you hydrate regularly and just follow a good routine, I think you'll be good. But I have found this to be an absolute lifesaver. I don't use product on these locks, and I rarely used to use product on my first set of locks, which were more traditional locks. But these are more interlocks / micro locks, and they still attract sort of just residues from here and there, some soap at the back of my neck. It happens. But when I need to clarify my hair, and especially in summer where like everything is just attracted to your hair because of the moisture and whatever, the humidity rather, I've been clarifying my hair with dishwashing liquid. So I wouldn't recommend like any particular brand or any special brand, but what I normally go for is the antibacterial brand. Normally there's a regular dishwasher, and then they'll have like an antibacterial which is orange. I've seen these in shops. Like there'll be like two types of dishwashing liquid: the regular one, which might be green, and then the antibacterial one, which might be orange or red. So for me, just to get that extra clean feel, I don't know if it makes a difference, but I normally go for antibacterial. But both or any brand that you may come across like work for you. Normally, the pricier the dishwashing liquid, the better the results. The cheaper end brands, I know guys, they're good for budgeting, but they may not get you the results. But I must say, dishwashing liquid is by far cheaper than regular clarifying shampoos. I'm not even going to talk about the pricing structure in my country because it is crazy. It is ridiculous. So I'm going to get back after just washing my hair, and then we're going to get chatting about the effects and how I feel. Hey guys, so I'm back. Just washed my hair, and I'm now going to talk about the use of conditioner on your locks. So I remember with my first set of locks, I wasn't consistent with using conditioner, and that's because we always hear in the lock community that conditioner will unravel your locks. Now, this is true for baby locks or starter locks, but for mature locks, I think conditioning is super important. And I don't normally do deep conditioning unless I've just colored my hair, but once in a while, like when I've clarified my hair with something as strong as dishwashing liquid, I do use just a regular conditioner. Any brand I think will do. And this is not a long leave-in. This is just a this is just a cover up your hair and then leave it for a few minutes and rinse. It is super helpful, guys. I cannot even emphasize enough. Like, I wish I had done this with my first set of locks, then I wouldn't have the drying and the subsequent breakage and stuff like that. But I know as long as your locks are mature, conditioning once in a while or every so as often as you need it is important, because you still need to actually moisturize your hair through conditioner. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's what I did after I washed my hair. Just did a rinse out conditioner, and then I will be chatting to you later about retouching and my retouch routine. Thanks.